Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to add your browser website to shortcut for easy access on. Let's get started in your Firefox web browser. So what you need to do is open up the app, then you're gonna search for any browser any website. For example, let me search for this Gmail and click on it, and once you're browsing and you wanted to remember this page. Oh, sorry for all this. What is this? Okay, let me just go back in with this one. I don't want to disturb ourselves, so let me search for another thing. Okay, now you can see this. I'm browsing and I wanted to put a website on a shortcut. What you need to do is click on this three dots. As you click on the three dots, you're going to see add to shortcut. You can see here. You can click on how to shortcut and it's going to be added to your shortcut. So let's go back to home, then you're going to see it here, and this is it. Very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.